A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fox. G is for goat. H is for horse. I is for iguana. J is for jaguar. K is for kids. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nest. O is for owl. P is for parrot. Q is for queen. R is for rooster. S is for sheep. T is for tiger. U is for uniform. V is for violin. W is for wolf. X is for xylophone. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.